Yeah, right guys, welcome to the second video of the unboxing of the Syma x8hw FPV. That's the other side. So let's crack this baby open. Let's see what it's got first. Flip stunts, 6-axis gyroscope, headless mode, flashing LEDs, 2.5 frequency gigahertz, hover mode, HD camera, but we all know it's not HD, Wi-Fi transmitter, and the helicopter itself. Get a manual. Looks like it's in English so far. Yep, looks like it's all in English. That's good. Give that a read later. There's, it tells you what's in the box, all the parts. Put that here safe. Get this out. There we go. There's the actual helicopter itself. It's got some weight on it. It's got some weight on it. I wouldn't say it's heavy and I wouldn't say it's light. Yeah, it's got some weight on it. I mean, you could feel it's some weight on there, like I said anyway. Put that back in there. Oh, we even get a UK plug. UK adapter plug, that's good. Oh, 2 of them. That's not bad. I think that's the battery. I'm still trying to, with one hand. That's the charger, the adapter for the charger. Like I said, 2 plugs there for the UK. We've got the prop guards. We've got the actual charger itself. Looks pretty basic. We've got the telephone holder, so you can FPV. That's the camera. It's sellotaped in there, so we won't be seeing that on there. There's a transmitter. What I'm going to do with the transmitter, oh, it springs back, that's altitude hold. What I'm going to do with the transmitter is open it up. Yep. Take the stock aerial out, antenna, and fit a new one in. Fit a new antenna. Hopefully we'll get 1,000 meters with this. Also, we'll be doing it with the Syma as well, taking it apart, fitting a new antenna in, a clover one. You get a bag of tools and some screws, which should be important. You get one set of props here and another set here. So far it's looking good, and that's the unboxing of the Syma x8hw. Next video will show you in the field, basically flying. No, actually, before that we're going to show you being modded, but we can't mod it right now because we're still waiting for some parts to come, which is the antennas. So until then, stay tuned and we'll see you in the next video.